Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. We got ourselves some Pokemon packs. Let's see, let's go through them real quick. We got Darkness of Base, Sword and Shield, Rebel Clash, Champion's Path, Chilling Reign, and Battle Style. Let's start with Battle Style. See if we got any mojo on this one. Just so you want to know, Mew did not want to stay up, so Mew's taking a break. Got our code. Hopefully everyone's doing well. Just flip through this. Oh, okay. Got a hollow per ugly. Next one, let's do Sword and Shield. I gotta admit, I definitely think this cover is cool. I think I did open the art version of that card one time around. You can see it on my Instagram page, same thing, I trading cards. So I have just interesting cards that I've pulled, you know, over time. So what do we got? Lumberry and Professor's Research. Let's do Rebel Clash. You know the funny thing about Rebel Clash? One time I was at my local Rouse, Kroger for some of you, and I did see them selling Rebel Clash and hangers, not hangers, the $3.99 packs. So yeah, it was interesting to see it there. Haven't seen it since, but I've seen it once. Guess you see it once, it's there. And if you check out Kroger's website, I think you can actually still find cards. Not much, but you know, they're there. Caterpie and no. Let's do Darkness of Base. I don't know. Have you guys bought the recently reprinted Darkness Ablaze and ETBs? I've seen them at Walmart and I've seen them at Target. It's pretty cool. The one thing I didn't grab and I should have grabbed was the Sun and Moon reprints that I saw of the ETB. And that was just because the line was long and the sales associate wasn't seems to be free. Jigglypuff and Grimmar. And nada. Let's do Chilling Reign. I think Chilling Reign doesn't get enough love, personally, as a set. I got stuck between Sword and Shield. Then next thing that came through was Evolving Skies. So I didn't really get enough of its own time. But, you know, what are you going to do when you compete against the EVs? It always happens. Other than the Pikachu and Charizards, the EVs are there. Definitely cards that people want. Got Avery and a reverse hollow of Wavix. It's not a bad card. Definitely. Has play potential, definitely being a rapid card. Last card, Champion's Path. Da-da-da. Sorry, Champion. Gold. Okay, because we got something in the last one, guys. We got Beauty as our trainer and Lucario. Well, definitely Lucario's out there now. He has his own box, you can say. And for what, 40 bucks? Find it at Target website, and I think you can even find it on Best Buy's website. Well, anyways, I digress. You guys have a good one, as always. Thanks for watching.